Oh. He's trying to familiarize himself with what's going on. Eat the banana. Eat the nanner. Jeremy's trying to calm the little guy down still.
No, he rocking out now.
He's rocking out. Yeah. Oh. He's comfortable with you now. Jeremy's just trying to see if he's gonna fall asleep. He looks like he is, getting a little tired.
I think he's just cold.
Yeah? Giving him warmth. What kind of bird are you? We gotta look this up. So we're not necessarily saying bye, but we have to put him back near his mom because he fell from this tree. His parents are probably up there somewhere, really worried. So apparently he's a fledgling, and fledglings need to like learn how to feed and learn how to, what do you call it? So if you're still there in the next couple of days, we'll see you. If you're not, then good luck with your life. At least we know they're all in this tree. Look, they're all like crapping on us right now. Jeremy. Bye, little guy. You know where we live? Okay. Alright, so Dad is making bololo and kare kare. Could you, which one is which? I'm making it on this stove top again.
Just finished.
Nice, look at that. And then kare kare is up there.
Kare kare.
Nice.
Bisaya. Kare kare.
Bisaya. Very cool. Old school. It's care. Bulalo. Kare kare. And bulalo. Look at that. It's good, huh? Home cooked by father and mother. This is what you do in the province when it's raining like this.
I just showered though.
Oh, this would have been good like a couple hours ago.
Yeah. Ooh, careful.
Hey, Dad. You have fun? Jeremy's finally able to get the drone to work because, you know, software updates, and we bought this when it was fairly new, right? It's the mini one, but it does the job because I think it shoots in like 1080 up to 4K maybe, but all we need is a decent amount. Jeremy's gonna try to land on the car. It's like, nice. Perfect landing. We have landed.
Houston.
Just finished working out. Jeremy is learning from the master. Doing a little bit of cooking at the back here. Actually, just pretty much boiling bananas or steaming it. Boiling bananas. Sorry, it's early.
Boiling too. In water, right?
Then fry the banana right here too. That one.
Oh, okay. You're so old school.
Back in the dirty kitchen.
We have that too. No, over there.
Oh.
These are the clean kitchen. There's another clean kitchen inside.
Yeah, the kitchen inside.
This is the normal kitchen inside, dirty kitchen out here, and then the dirtier kitchen out here.
We have to cook banana and more saging right there and potato.
Potato. Nice. This is not looking too good for me. If Jeremy's walking like that, this is not looking good for me at all. I do not know how to walk. Uh-oh. Oh. Careful. That's not giving me any confidence to walk down there. Yeah, because there's some like muddy parts. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the camera. Jeremy's recording, so it's a yeah. Yeah. If I don't record on this phone, is because I fell. Right there is slippery.
Is it?
There. Yeah. By the babbling brookside.
The babbling brook.
Wow.
Damn, this is a lot of land.
It's a lot of land.
And our mom has been sitting on for how many goddamn years?
Holy shit, that's a lot of land, bro.
Huh?
This is a lot of land.
Running water, this is ano?
Right here.
Running water, this is ano? Padagat ni? Bro, magnawa na tayo tubig dire. So this one, probably later on, the water would come down from there.
Oh.
The big mountain goes down to the beach.
Yeah.
So we need to clean this up.
Yeah. There's a lot of like trash everywhere.
Everything.
But they're doing this 400 a day a piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot of job. I mean,
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
job.
Yeah. Is it okay, Ma?
Yeah.
I'm gonna build a house here? Okay. I'm tired of looks of Don. I'm going to Hannah. 2-minute drive.
And you have all the trees you get.
Yeah.
You have all the food you get. You have all the Hawaiians you get.
We'll build a house first and then pour up.
How about build
We'll build a Jollibee. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Joke
How
lang.
we gonna do it?
I'm gonna do something with this. It's just this land is a little. Maybe this is ATV land. Yeah, this is yours.
Yes.
Where up until that line?
It's letter B, like this.
Yeah, but where's the end? I'm saying right here.
Yeah, right there. Hawaiian, everything.
Oh, okay. For safety reasons, I decided to stop here just in case, because I don't want them to have to drag me out of here. But this land is pretty big. Just look at it, all the way up, that they have to clear up. This is crazy. Like, we've come here over the years, but we haven't really been down here because it's been way too dangerous to just walk down. As you guys can see, look, there's a lot that needs to be cleaned. But Jeremy, how's it down there? Posing.
I feel like a jungle boy.
Yeah, dude, this feels like, yeah. Oh. Oh yeah? Can we just tell Dad to pick us up at the beach? I'm just kidding.
What else?
Alright, progress. We made it down here. Actually, I had to follow them because I didn't want to, like, be left out. It was kind of hard. But yeah, this is a lot of land. We could eventually build a place down here. Maybe build something like...
It's not down here, bro. It's up here.
Or up... Huh? Oh, up on a mountain, yeah. Well, like down on this side of the mountain.
We have two water sources from the spring water and the water right there, the Nawasa.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but this needs to be cleared up. That's for sure. How long do you think it'll take them?
We'll see. Look, this morning when sila nag-umpisa.
Yeah.
They did all this morning?
Yeah.
Wow. And there's only 3 of them.
Yeah.
So we'll see. You guys will see during these vlogs how this place changes. We don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but it's just land that's been sitting. If any YouTubers out there want to buy land, come to.
Tita Tinuma would love this.
Yeah.
Right here.
And this is up in the mountain, so it's a lot more quiet. So
Yeah.
we'll see. Okay, we already talked about this before, but what is this the perfect thing for?
She would be perfect for an ATV track.
Look at it. Especially
If you
going
clean it
up.
up,
Yeah.
yeah.
If you clean it up, look at that.
Or
It's
even
actually
like
kind of
a-
lined up.
Like a, not BMX, but like,
Bike trail,
yeah.
like a mountain bike trail.
Yeah, there you go.
It is big. So that you guys could kind of see the scope of how large this place is.
Gee, I thought it was just until here.
Yeah.
Just these trees. These palm trees or coconut trees? Yeah, these trees right here. But it goes all the way to the Babbling Brook.
That's the front. Jeremy already recorded this, but here we go again. It goes all the way down. We thought it would just end at these trees, but it goes all the way down there.
It's like a weird beat too.
Yeah.
Straight for a while and then it.
It gets tighter. You guys can see just like the fences on each side. Yeah. Very weird, right? We'll see what we're gonna end up doing with this. But this angle looks so creepy. This angle, because it's like slanted and stuff. So it's our mom versus a tree right now. She's trying to get guava. Did you even get it?
You stabbing the shit out of that. You need help, Mom?
That's right.
That's our mom.
That's our mom.